Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get Roblox up and running on your PC or laptop in 2025. It's super easy, so let's dive in. First things first, open your browser and head over to the official Roblox website. You can just type roblox.com into the address bar. Once you're there, log in with your account. No account yet? No worries. You'll spot a Sign Up option right on the homepage. Click it, follow the steps to create your account, and you're good to go. Now that you're logged in, pick any game that catches your eye and hit the green play button. A new window will pop up. Give it a sec to load. From there, you'll see a download button. Click it to start downloading the Roblox installer. Alternatively, you can go straight to the download page by typing roblox.com/download in your browser. Just double-check you're on the official site to stay safe. Once the download's done, check your browser's download manager, usually at the bottom of the screen or in the Downloads folder. Find the Roblox installer file, give it a double click, and let the installation begin. If your system asks for permission to make changes, just hit Yes. First time installing? You might also need to click Run to kick things off. When the installation wraps up, Roblox should launch automatically. Sign in with your account details, or if you're already logged in on another device, try the quick login feature for a faster setup. Want to go big? Hit F11 to switch to full screen mode and jump into any Roblox experience you like. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy Roblox on your PC or laptop in 2025. If this guide helped you out, drop a like. It really means a lot.